So Jolene Ride the Wind e-bikes, it's really important to see some comparisons when choosing a mobility scooter, because to our right we have the exceptionally valued ET3 ES. A little confusing, I know. So it's ES, it's $23.95. This is the ET3. ET3 means three-wheeler. LX, it's $29.95. They essentially look the same, right? I mean, the lights are a bit different, but they're both the same size, same three wheels, 3x10 tires. They're free moving, so they don't have the motor brake. You need to use the brakes to actually stop yourself. 3x10 tires. I mean, they're very, very similar, but we will call the LX more of the Cadillac version because it does have a few more features that you might like, right? So for example, now these are coming in a 60 volt now for the same price. So before, this was a 48 volt, this was a 60 volt. That means this one has more power. So if you live with hills or you're a bigger person, you are gonna wanna spend the extra money to go with this one. The seat is a big deal because this seat on the ES does not move. It's the back that moves backwards and forwards. Plus, look how short the backrest is. That's all you get with that. And the rear basket obviously is just a basket. It's not lockable. It's not enclosed. So with this one, you are getting a very, very comfortable seat that is fully like reclining. Bring it back. That might just be enough for you. It also has a radio system. It has a kick-ass radio system. It is excellent. It's quite loud. It's the best system we've heard in a mobility scooter. So great quality there. These ones tell you your voltage. I do really like that because it's accurate. You know exactly where your battery strength is, where these ones are a little bit more plain. They both have alarm systems, so that's really great. I think these are 800 watt motor. These are 1,000 watt motor. They both have reverse. They both come with mirrors, just so you know. And I think the suspension is a little more upgraded with that. So that's kind of what might have you go for this one instead. They come with the same colors, full LED lights with these ones, full LED lights. That's why I've got the lights turned on. That is LED, but the signals are not. So that's something that's important to some people. Oops. It looks like the suspension is bigger, but it's not. They've got, it's got the same calipers, same disc, so that all remains the same as well. Perhaps you just like the look of one or the other, or you just really like the price of this one because they both will get you to where you need to go. They both have the same distance per charge, but it's kind of nice to see them side by side. Maybe that'll help you make your decision a little bit easier. And remember, Ride the Wind e-bikes, we ship across Canada. We can ship it to you in the crate, or we can assemble it for you, because there is a little bit of assembly to these that might not be that fun. We can fully assemble it, put it on a pallet, ship it right to your door, take it off the pallet, boom, good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching.